Hello everyone, welcome to the Group 8 Educational Channel. Our topic for this week is packaging and its associated terms. First of all, what is packaging? Packaging is the art of preparing or making containers like boxes, metal cans, bottles, bags, wrappers, and jackets for the storage of manufactured goods and products. It can also be described as a technology used to contain, protect, and preserve products throughout their distribution, storage, and handling, and at the same time to identify them, provide instructions for their use, and promote them. Packaging comes in three main categories, namely primary, secondary, and tertiary. Since you now know what packaging is, let's delve into our 24 selected packaging terminologies. Enjoy! To begin with, the terms is adhesives, commonly known as pressure sensitive, as the adhesives becomes active when pressure is applied. Is a substance or a material that sticks two items together. There are two types of adhesives, permanent and removable. Anti-counterfeiting packaging. Anti-counterfeiting packaging is a measure taken to prevent the imitation and infringement of authentic goods. This guarantees the consumer of the product safety and helps the company minimize loss of revenue and loyalty due to counterfeiting. Braille is a scripture that can be read by blind people with their fingers. It is a common reading and writing system for blind and partially sighted persons. It is not a language. It is just another way of writing and reading text on packages and other items with the help of the Braille cell. Braille cell consists of 6 dots positioned like figure 6 on a dice in two parallel vertical lines of 3 dots each that can be decoded by the blind. Cardboard carton, a prefabricated carton board container used for the packaging of a variety of products, including foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, and many more. CMYK, letters which stand for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. The K is used for black to eliminate confusion with blue. Full color printed images are made up of these component colors. Since most packages are printed, using this mode is the best. Coating, a special water-based coating which is applied to printed matter to protect literature from ink smudging or finger marking or to enhance appearance. The main types are sealer, gloss, matte, and silk. Concora. The Concora process is a technique that is used in the cut and crease process to create a superior visual effect to perforation and create an easy open feature. Partial cuts are offset on either side of the carton to form an easy open tear strip. It provides cleaner tear than perforations. Corner radius. This refers to the radius dimension of the corners of the label. The normal radius used is 1.5 mm or 2 mm. Creasing process. A process using a die creates grease in the packaging material so that it can fold with ease and without creating any cracking or splitting of the sheet. Deboss refers to image pressed into board so it lies below the typical, that is the viewing surface. Embossing, the process of raising letters or designs out of the typical viewing surface of the board. Embossing is sometimes used to check counterfeiting in product packaging. Die cut, a process that uses a metal die to shear through low strength materials such as cardboard, plastic, foil, and other lightweight materials. Drip off mat or gloss. This refers to a printing finish that provides a spot gloss finish and textured matte effect with very high levels of detail. This process uses standard inks and a special print varnish that allows the application of gloss varnish via a plate followed by a matte varnish. This creates a reticulation effect on labels for packages. Folder gluer, a modular machine that takes flat blanks through the folding and gluing process. Folder gluers can process a range of materials, including solid cardboards, plastics, varnish boards, litho-laminate, and microfluids. Grease-resistant packaging. This refers to packaging that has a special coating of finish applied to it to repel grease, oil, and wax. Label. A label refers to information about products printed on paper or metal and stack pasted on packages, that is bottles, cans, packets, etc. It gives details about the content of the manufactured product. Lamination. This refers to a thin plastic film used on the covers of printed board to give protection. This can be gloss or matte. This is mostly used in packaging. Perforation. This term refers to running a series of cuts that is often very small and close together into board to allow the two sides to be separated. Sleeves, a printed cardboard sleeve that will slide over plastic trays and pots to provide brand and product information. Example, sleeves over microwave ready meals. Substrate. In printing, the substrate is a term used to describe the base material onto which the designs will be printed on for packaging. Trademark. Trademark is defined as any word or symbol used by the manufacturer or seller to identify his goods and distinguish them from that of others. It helps consumers to identify goods and services that they have used and enjoyed in time past. Visual, a preliminary layout indicating the general design and the position of the various elements. Visual is very useful in packaging. Wrapper. This is a productive cover for parcel, objects, products, etc. So, in the words of Steve Jobs, packaging can be theater. It can create a story. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.